Development of the newborn. The development of an animal after its birth or emergence from an egg is not the same in all organisms. Accordingly, they are classified into direct and indirect development. Direct development. In some cases, the young one differs from the adult in comparatively minor details, apart from not having functional sex organs. This kind of development is said to be direct. There is no larval stage and no metamorphosis. However, direct development does not mean that no changes occur between birth and adulthood. Human beings are typical examples for this kind of development. Indirect development. In some other cases, the newly hatched ones will not be similar to that of its parents. They undergo a rather long route to reach the adult stage. The sequence of stages is called metamorphosis. Amphibians and some insects are typical examples for this kind of development.